Let's make a magic circle. If you're working on a beanie or a project that needs a closed circle, you want to be able to cinch it tight, magic circle is the way to go. This was hard for me when I first started crocheting. So here's the tail end of my yarn. Here's my working end. Around your finger, now you have 2 strands, 1, 2. You're going to put your hook under the first strand, hook the second one and bring it around. Now you have it at the outside of your yarn. You need to do a chain 1 to close that up, and that's going to hold your circle. In essence, it's like a little slip stitch. So now you have your circle. You've made a slip knot, and that's really is what you've done here. Now you can crochet into your circle. So let's say when I start an elf ear, for example, there's 6 single crochets. So let's do 6 single crochets real quick in here so you can see what I mean. It's hard to work around this camera. And 6. Or however many stitches are in your circle. And now you can cinch it closed. Pull. You can pull it pretty tight. And let's say I'm gonna slip stitch into my first single crochet. And that's a pretty nice hold, or pretty tight hold, pretty tight cinch. And you can cinch it even more. To lock those stitches in, I usually do like 2 or 3 rounds, and then I will pull the tail tight and weave those ends in, and that will lock it in place. You could make a little knot there, but I don't like to make knots if I don't have to. And that is your magic circle. Let's do it one more time. Ribbit, ribbit, rip it out. Around my fingers. My hook goes under the first strand, hooks the second strand, brings it around. I twist my hook, notice that, and chain 1. Now I have my magic circle. Should we do it again? Why not? All right, here we go again. Around your fingers, you have 2 strands of yarn. Hook goes under the first strand, hooks the second one, pulls it around, chain 1. Magic circle. That's it. It takes some practice, and the first couple times you do it, you're going to lose the second one. It won't stay together. You just got to practice. You can get it. It was hard for me. I did the chain 2 method a lot when I first started. But then you have a little hole there, and I didn't like that. Good luck and happy magic circling.